In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step complete guide on how you can transfer money using the World Remit mobile app. I'll be sharing with you the different delivery methods, different payment methods, and the fees that are associated with each. Now, as a way of saying thank you or supporting my channel, you can use my referral link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you sign up, you have the option to log in with an Apple ID or continue with a Google account. The option is yours. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Once you're in the app, just go ahead and select send. Search for the country which you want to transfer money to. Let's say India. Here you specify how much you want to send. It shows how much the recipient will receive. And for the receiving method, the recipient can either receive money by the bank transfer or airtime top up. That's their mobile. Here it shows the fees, $1.99, which is in line with a lot of the money transfer apps. Then go ahead and select next. You need to specify the receiver's account by adding the receiver information. Complete the recipient's information and then select save and continue. And on the last page, you review the transaction and then select next. And then on this page, you select how you want to pay, whether it be Apple Pay, debit card or credit card. Note, a credit card comes with a $2.40 fee. Debit card is typically less, right? Let's say we're going to be paying with Apple Pay. Now once you go ahead and select pay, that's basically it. Though I do not want to make a transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you can achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.